Welcome to ToysForJunior.com. Today we're going to look at this Lego set for ages 4 and up. Looks like a cargo ship and a crane, has a forklift, and other pieces for boats and other vehicles. It has a Lego man, at least one. Let's open it up. And there's its little pieces. The bag. Fourth bag and some instructions on how to put it together. Should be fun to put together. I'm going to start doing that. I'll be back to show you the result. So far all I've done is open it up and separate all the different colors of Legos, so I can make it easier to put together, all except this little pile over here with the smallest pieces. As you can see, there's quite a few pieces, and looks like it's going to be a little work to put together, but it shouldn't be too hard. So this is what we have so far. We've built the cargo ship. It's right here. Nice little Lego cargo ship. Forklift with the little Lego man. And the crane. Cable that lifts the cargo and puts it on the ship. And this turns all around, so you can pick up the other pieces of cargo and put them on the ship. The cable, this part right here, is what enables you to lower the cable on the cargo. It's on the hook. Like that. And put the cargo on here. And then lower it on the ship. Just like that. As you can see, there's a lot of Lego pieces left. A lot of little pieces left. Quite a few, actually. Ideas to make whatever you'd like out of that. But as far as the directions go, these three things, the cargo ship, the forklift, and the crane, is the only ones that it has directions for. But as you can see from these scenes, you can build pretty much whatever you want, but there aren't directions on how to build those. You can even make an alligator right there. What else? Little lake scene. There's a dog. I guess that's a person holding the dog. All kinds of fun little things. There's another lake scene with an airplane up here, and a boat pulling a skier, water skier, and somebody canoeing. So, this is Lego set number 6186 for ages 4 and up. I paid about $15 for it at a toy store here. May be able to get it cheaper online at Amazon. But it's a fun little Lego set. You can make a lot of different things. And I know Mike will enjoy this, and I'm sure your little boy will too. So Check it out, Lego set 6186.